welcome back to my channel. So today I am super excited, and I know I say that in every video, but I'm extra excited because I'm going to see Khalid tonight in concert with my mom, and I'm super excited. I've been listening to his music since his American Teen album first came out, like literally the week it came out, and I am just so pumped. Not excited, pumped. So in this video, I'm going to be doing my makeup, and then I'm also going to be vlogging the concert on my vlog channel, so you guys should go subscribe to that to see the vlog. And also I have my hair like this because it's wet because I just got out of the shower, and I'm going to do my hair in this video, but just after I do my makeup. So let's get started, shall we? So the first thing I use is my Mario Badescu like rose water, and I'm also going to make this like a chit chat area with me because I think those are funner, okay. But, and also I just hate doing voiceovers, so this is all easier to edit. And I don't really rub it in, I just kind of like let it like sit in my face. And then, And then I have my Clean and Clear Daily Moisturizer. And if you guys have watched my makeup tutorials before, I don't really change anything, but in this video I'm going to try to make I'm going to make it a little special, okay? So I'm going to like wear fake eyelashes and just like try to make it a little different. Maybe I'll do like a winged liner, like we're going to go crazy. So I'm taking my moisturizer and just putting it on my face. I don't really wear primer, so I feel like this acts as a primer, and it's also super moisturizing to the skin. I'm going to do my eyes first and then on my foundation. So the first thing I do is take some concealer and put it in my eyes. Oh, and also I got some new makeup products that aren't from Maybelline, so maybe this video will be better than my other makeup tutorials, but this one is from Maybelline. It's just a concealer. I have a different concealer. It's more high-end for when I'm concealing. But this is just for my eyes. And I use this as a primer. And I'm gonna try to put a lot on because I want this to stay all night. Also, if you guys hear like mumbling music, that's because my mom's room is downstairs and she's listening to Khalid, you know, practicing the lyrics, so she'll know them tonight. I don't remember the last concert I went to. I feel like it's probably my vlog channel. I feel like it was like either Selena, Justin, or Taylor Swift. Which brush should I use? I just cleaned all my brushes last night, so I'm very proud of myself. I'm taking my Morphe 25A Copper Spice palette and taking this color right here and just putting that in my crease. I'm also going to take some of these colors right here, just mix them together to make it more like orangey. I lied, I'm not just putting this in my crease, I'm kind of just putting it all over my eyelid. I really want like a makeup artist to do my makeup one time just to see like how you actually do makeup, because I'm really not good at it. Like I follow makeup tutorials on YouTube, but then they never ever look the same. Also, it's okay to have like fallout on your face because I always take a makeup wipe before I do my foundation and like go in again to take that off, so it's fine. Next, I'm taking a bit of this Maybelline concealer and putting it on this little brush. This is also from BH Cosmetics. So I'm just putting this like right here and right here, just like on my lower lid. This is gonna act as a primer for the glitter eyeshadow that I'm gonna put over it. After the concealer has dried, I'm going to be taking, should I do pink or gold? I think we'll do pink, just like out of my comfort zone a little bit. So I'm taking this really soft brush from BH Cosmetics. All my brushes are from there, and this is 130. I'm taking the lightest pink shimmery color from this palette and just gonna put it like in the inner corners. Then taking like the medium shades of pink and going like this. Taking these two colors and putting those like in my outer corner. Then going in with my Morphe Copper Spice palette and using the same matte colors on top just to sort of blend those colors together. When I rubbed my makeup off, I probably took off the moisturizer as well, so I'm just adding a little bit more of that. For my eyebrows, I don't really do too much to them, but I'm just going to brush them out and then do a little line of eyeshadow. Now for my foundation, I'm mixing two shades of the Fenty Rihanna. I'm mixing 170 and 100. And I know they're a pretty big difference, but this one's too light and this one's too dark. So let's see what happens when I mix them together. This shade is perfectly my color. I'm very happy. So I just dabbed this on with a beauty blender. Not too difficult. I'm actually going to do 2 coats of this just to make sure it lasts all night. If you guys want to know how that I created this shade, I just did 1 pump of the darker one and then 2 pumps of the lighter one. It's important to blend down your neck. I always forget that. For concealer, I'm using my Tarte Rainforest with the Sea Aqua Concealer in the shade Fair, and I really wanted the Tarte Shape Tape, but the lady at Sephora said that they don't carry Tarte Shape Tape. They carry this, which is the same product, it's just more moisturizing, so I thought that was good. But when I first use it, it's like really watery, so if you're gonna buy that, just know that that is normal. It smells like paint, which I really don't like, but I don't know, let's see how it works as a concealer. I feel like I used too much, yet it doesn't seem like it's doing much. I guess it like brightens up under your eyes, but also putting this right there and right there where I have a little bit of both. Now my concealer and foundation's done, I'm going to be taking my Fit Me concealer in the shade 120. Then I'm taking a super fluffy brush and just brushing away any extra powder. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using a Maybelline New York Master Precise eyeliner, and I don't know, it's just like a felt tip, I think that's what it's called. And I did this off camera because I am just really bad at it. You guys, I did this eyeliner all by myself, perfectly good. Maybe not like perfectly, but like perfect for my liking. Now I don't even know if I should do fake eyelashes just because the only ones I have are this natural ones, and my eyelashes are like almost longer than this, so I'm sorry to do this to you guys, but I have to do this off camera too because it's gonna be too much pressure with the camera on me. You guys, that was so stressful and they don't even look good. I'm probably just gonna take them off because like you can't even really tell I have fake eyelashes on, can you? And I could have been putting this one on upside down. Oh my god. And I'm pretty sure I put it on backwards. I really don't know how to put on eyelashes. Now I'm going in with my Estee Lauder Sumptuous Extreme Mascara. Now for the lips, I'm taking Kiko Milano lip liner. I use this every single day. This lip liner is so creamy and they have so many different colors and it's so cheap. I forgot how much it was, but like it lasts like so long. Now that I'm done with my makeup, I'm gonna set it all with some setting spray. First, I'm gonna go blow dry my hair and then I'll come back to show you guys how I curl it. Okay, so for my hair, I just blow dried it and put it like half of it up so I can comb my hair, and I'm using my Nimi 3-in-1 curling iron, except I lost the middle barrel, which really sucks because the big barrel's too big and the small barrel's too small. So I really wish I could find that. Start in the back. Okay, and then after I curl my hair, take out the back. It looks a little poofy right now, but it'll like flatten out throughout the night, and yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna go change and I'll show you guys my outfit. Okay, I don't know if you guys can tell, but this top is so cute. It's velvet, and I have a sunburn, so it's kind of awkward. I'm not wearing a bra, so I don't know. It doesn't look that great, but whatever. I really love this top. And then I'm just wearing black jeans and then wear some black Vans. And I have some earrings and jewelry on, and hopefully you guys can just see my, you know. I am running late, so hopefully you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you do, and comment down below your favorite Khalid song. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!